Unveiling a spark. Understanding a glimmer of joy. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. Today, we're going to unravel the beauty and depth of the phrase, a glimmer of joy. This phrase, rich in imagery and emotion, is a gem in the English language, often used to express a very specific feeling. So, sit back as we explore the layers behind these words, ensuring you can use them effectively in your daily conversations. First, let's dissect a glimmer of joy into two parts, glimmer and joy. A glimmer refers to a faint or brief light, or a hint of something. It's like seeing the faintest light in a dark room or having a subtle hint of an idea. It indicates something minimal but noticeable. Joy, on the other hand, is a feeling of great pleasure and happiness. It's that warm, uplifting emotion that fills you up during moments of happiness. Now, when do we use a glimmer of joy? This phrase is often used in situations where joy is not overwhelming but is instead subtle and perhaps unexpected. It's like finding a ray of sunshine on a cloudy day or feeling a brief moment of happiness during tough times. You might say, despite the challenges, she found a glimmer of joy in her daily routine. The phrase beautifully encapsulates those moments of light in the darkness, offering a powerful tool for expression in both spoken and written English. Let's see a glimmer of joy in action. 1. After hearing the good news, a glimmer of joy appeared on his face. 2. The kind gesture from a stranger brought a glimmer of joy in her otherwise mundane day. 3. In the midst of sorrow, remembering old times can often bring a glimmer of joy. These examples show how the phrase adds depth and emotion to a sentence, painting a picture of subtle happiness amidst various circumstances. A glimmer of joy is not just a phrase, it's a narrative, a small yet significant portrayal of happiness. It reminds us that joy can be found in the smallest of moments. I hope this exploration helps you appreciate and use this beautiful expression in your English conversations and writings. Thank you for joining me today, and remember, even the smallest glimmer can brighten the darkest rooms. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.